Hi everyone, welcome to this channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you and tell you how you can copy and paste an image on your iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, write your comments, be sure to put your likes. And let's get started. So, if you ever wanted to learn how to copy and share your photos and other images on your iPhone, then today, I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, please open the gallery on your phone. Next, select the photos you would like to copy. Then at the top, press the three dots and copy. Now this photo is copied to the clipboard. Next, you can go to absolutely any messenger or app that you can text or the messaging app on your iPhone. I'm going to go to Telegram. And here you'll need to tap on the message bar, tap and hold until you see insert. So you insert your photo and then send. And as you can see, the photo has been sent. Friends, this is the very simple way you can copy and paste any image on your iPhone. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to this channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.